All right, guys, we got a 99 Jeep Wrangler customer complaint. Fan speed doesn't work on 1, 2, 3. It only works on high. So if you put the key on, nothing. I'm not an accessory, I think. There you go. So okay, let's try again. Nothing. There you go. All right, so no speed is working. The blower motor doesn't work. Only on high it works. And I'm gonna show you why. Okay, all the Jeeps, doesn't matter what kind of vehicle you got. You want to go down here. If your car's, there's something called a resistor. Okay, a resistor is what controls the speed. So this probably got some bolts over here. It's an 8mm. So usually, you see that white looking piece right there with the connector right there. So that's the resistor. Okay, with the blue, red, and green wire. That's your resistor. It got two 8mm. That baby's gonna come out, and we're gonna replace it. I got videos on other vehicles, so you might want to take a look at that and replace your resistor, and that should take care of that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is, there's an 8mm bolt right over here, right there. Camera can't even see it, and that baby comes off. That's what it looked like. And we're not even gonna go too far down. And if you want to go further, you take off the rest of the bolts. So this is the resistor right here. This is what controls everything, the speed of that motor. So that connector comes off, and then they got two bolts, 8mm on each side. One. Okay, I can't see it myself. There you go. Two bolts, and this baby should simply just come out. Some vehicles are a different spot, but same procedure. It's most likely gonna have two bolts. Some cars are built-in resistors in the control module, but these would usually go bad over time, and then your speeds won't work. Sometimes it could be the control itself, but you do want to tackle this guy before anything. Okay, the camera didn't record, so here's my older resistor. So you put the new one back in, two bolts, 1 and 2. It's oval from one side, and here's the part number that I got. This freaking camera, it looks the same exact piece. And put the connector back in, and as I was speaking, you cannot put that connector into that and try it outside. It's got to be in the housing, because it cools off from the motor airflow. Anyways, we're gonna try it before we close the cover up. So the resistor is most likely the issue on every vehicle, and some are like in the newer cars integrated into the module. This is a module on most of the cars. Sometimes it could be a bad speed control. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna put the key on, and we got air. You can hear it. We got speed 2, we got speed 3, and we got speed 4. Bada bing, bada boom. Thank you for watching my video. Some cars, they would turn off completely, and on this one you would have to turn this off for everything to go off. But we got all the speeds, and thank you for watching my video on this little guy. And just replace your resistor, put everything back together, and you're good to go.